Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to change font style on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Choose a user you want to send a message to. Type the message you want to send. Long tap on your text and select your text. Then tap on three dots from the option. Now select the font you want. And you will change the font style on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to change the font style on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.